This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 17 on Windows 11 operating system. First you have to download JDK 17. For that you have to visit Oracle website, use this particular link, then download JDK 17 for Windows. You can find Windows 64 installer for JDK 17. You have to download it. The file name ends with .exe. Copy this link. Here you can see Windows 64 installer for JDK 17. Click on this link and here you can see JDK 17 installer is successfully downloaded. Step 2 is install JDK 17. For that you have to run the installer. Double click the JDK 17 installer to run the installer. It will open installation wizard. Click on next to begin. By default, JDK will be installed in C programming files Java JDK 17. You can change this location if you wish, but it is fine to leave it as is. Then click on next. The installer will copy files and set up everything for you. Once complete, click close to finish the installation. Double click JDK 17 installer. Click on next. By default, JDK 17 will be installed in this location. If you want to change the default location, click on change and here you can change the path. Click on next and here you can see JDK 17 is successfully installed. Click on close. Click on C drive, programming files, Java and here you can see JDK 17 is successfully installed. Next we have to set up environment variables. For that you have to open environment variable settings, then add the JDK path to system variables. In system variable section, you can find path variable, value you have to add till JDK 17 bin folder. And here you can see the instruction. Follow this instruction to do that. Right click start button, click on system, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Here you can see the path variable. Click on edit. Copy the path till bin folder of JDK 17. Click on new. Paste the path. Click on OK. 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 Next we have to create Java underscore home variable. Under the system variables section, the variable value we have to set the path of JDK 17 folder without the bin folder. Click on advanced system settings. Click on environment variables. Click on new, Java underscore home, variable value, copy till JDK 17 folder, paste the path here, click on OK. Next we have to verify the installation. For that open command prompt, then check the Java version using the command java-version and you can verify the output. The output will be similar like this. Open command prompt, Java-version, and here you can see the output. And from this we can confirm JDK 17 is successfully installed. Next, to check JDK compiler is working, you have to run the command javac-version. You will see the output javac 17. Javac-version. Click on enter, and here we got the output. Now we will see the conclusion. You have successfully installed JDK 17 on Windows 11 operating system. Now you are ready to start developing Java applications. Next, you have to configure development environment like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or Visual Studio Code to use JDK 17. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.